but her friend hurries up to calm her down. It's just a Kinder Surprise. The prank army motto: make chocolate, not war. Terrified, Redhead takes the entire Kinder Egg to make up for the emotional stress, but she shares the endorphins with her friend later on. Redhead is chatting with her boyfriend. A wave of cute smiley faces flows over the screen. Let me make my friend's chat even sweeter than it already is. I put DIY chocolate eggs into the bowl with sweets. Cover a raw chicken egg with brown acrylic paint. You may prepare a few eggs like this. Wait until the paint dries. Add some more coats to cover the white shell entirely. I move the bowl closer to my friend. The sweet tooth grabs the chocolate egg right away. What filling is inside of it? I wonder. Redhead breaks the egg. Oops! It's not a Kinder, but a chicken surprise. It's the first time Redhead sees this kind of a dessert. I cooked my friend's favorite cream sponge cake. She thinks that I want to make up for my egg prank in this way. She's so naive. She doesn't even suspect that I didn't give up on my plan to ruin her perfect date, and an onion filling is the best way to do it. We will need a cream sponge cake. Peel an onion and cut rings. Lift the top of the cake slightly and put an onion ring between the layers of the cream and the sponge. Spread the cream to cover the onion. Redhead tastes the cookie, but the taste sets the alarm bells ringing. Why does this cream have an onion taste? And her friend keeps eating her cake as if nothing is wrong. Maybe it's a special recipe to drive away evil ghosts on a date. I may drive away not only ghosts, but also my boyfriend with this smell. Redhead swaps a high-calorie cake for crispy rings with Nutella. Take a treat, my dear friend. Take some rings out of the package. Trace the bottom of the box on the cardboard and cut it out with 1/2 inch allowances around the edges. Cut off squares at the corners. Fold up the edges and attach the double bottom into the package. Put some rings on top and glue the box. My friend opens up the package with rings, but there are a few of them inside. Perplexed, she is looking inside and figures out everything. There's a double bottom in the package, and Redhead is happy that she's managed to prank her friend. Redhead is laughing out loud, and I need to relieve my stress by eating Nutella. Cover the inside of an empty Nutella jar with brown acrylic paint. Cut out a circle to fit the size of the jar neck. Put it inside and paint it looking like the chocolate spread. Close the jar. I open Nutella and stick a spoon into the brown spread, but the spoon goes nowhere. There is not even a trace of chocolate. It's only brown paint instead. Anyway, I don't need extra calories before my date. As for Redhead, she'd better sit on her chair carefully. Otherwise, she will get bruises and injuries from her own pranks. Every girl does her makeup before a date. This is why Redhead wants to sneak unusual makeup into her friend's makeup bag. Take an applicator out of an empty lip gloss container. Take a wand out of an old mascara. Clean them up. Cut off the wand and the applicator and swap them. Hot glue the applicator to the mascara cap and attach the wand to the lip gloss cap. Close the makeup. The date is right around the corner. It's time to doll up. I take out my lip gloss and apply it to my lips, but the applicator looks weird. If I am supposed to do my lip makeup with this brush, then what should I use to do my eye makeup? Right, the lip gloss applicator. What's wrong? Either one thing or another. Either mascara and lip gloss change their places, or it's my friend's prank. But I have a revenge prank. I'm going to sneak in filled cotton pads. Tear cotton pads in half and put in food coloring powder. Press the pads and put them back into the package. Redhead needs to clean her skin before applying makeup. She soaks a cotton pad with micellar water and wipes her face. What's wrong? Why am I turning green? Either one thing or another. Either I'm transforming into the Hulk, or it's my friend's prank. The girls have had enough of goofing around. No one wants to go on a date after this prank war. So the competition of who can ruin a date better ends in a tie. Did you like our funny prank ideas? Then write in your comments how you will prank your friends. Will you throw a chocolate grenade or put onion into a dessert? Or maybe you will make an entire cardboard hand to terrify your friend. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell to keep up with new prank ideas on the Troom Troom channel.